Hello everyone, my name is Rahul Dubey and I am 31 years old. And I got to know about this course through the masterclass when I joined the Be10x masterclass, especially to upgrade myself regarding day-to-day AI tools and to become experts in Microsoft Excels and everything. So for that, I joined this masterclass where I got to know like how AI tool works in our day-to-day life, which make easier and make like 80 to 90% of work easily to be completed within a fraction of a minutes. So yeah, that's the reason I joined this masterclass. And I haven't done yet because I have recently enrolled in this course, and I love to be a part of this masterclass where it is helping every each lecture is helping me a lot in day-to-day life, because as I'm working as an agent for the Revolut at the moment. So yeah, we handle the customers, so that make easy for me to research on their details, where I can find out and how to provide the complete details in a very professional and very kind manners to them. And it is helping me a lot from last 2 weeks, which I am from the time when I uh, take this course. So yeah, I'm damn happy and I'm loving this session till now. So yeah, as of now the course is not completing it, but yeah, I am excited to to get this completed as soon as possible, as per the scheduled time and the lecture times, so which can help me to hike in my salary. Definitely it will help me a lot of in my day-to-day life as well, where I can give many uh, kind help to my other friends and family members to get their works completed easy way, so that even they should know about like how this AI tools are working, and it is how much it is helpful for everyone's life to get it better. So thank you so much for such a lovely session, Aditya. Love to uh in love to again contact you as soon as possible. Thank you.